Buddhāvataṃsaka Flower Ornament Sutra, Chapter 1, The Wonderful Adornments of the Leaders of the Worlds. The deity Pure Jewel Moon found the door of liberation of the joy of profound determination, cultivating all ascetic practices. The deity Non-Regressing Courage found the door of liberation of unhindered light shining everywhere, causing all beings to increase in purity and clarity. The deity Light of Beautiful Flower Garlands found the door of liberation of pure light illumining the bodies of all sentient beings, and causing them to produce oceans of joy and faith. Supreme Banner Light found the door of liberation of light illumining all worlds, causing them to perfect various wonderful qualities. The deity Universal Light of a Jewel Topknot found the door of liberation of the ocean of great compassion, manifesting jewels of various forms and colors of boundless realms. The deity Eyes of Light found the door of liberation, purifying the eyes of all sentient beings, causing them to see the matrix of the cosmos. The deity Virtue Bearing found the door of liberation, developing pure continuous attention, never letting it be lost or broken. The deity Universal Light found the door of liberation, carrying the palace of the sun all over, shining on all sentient beings of the 10 directions, allowing them to accomplish their work. At that time, Sun Godling, imbued with the Buddha's power, surveyed all the sun deities and said in verse, "The Buddha's great light of knowledge illumines all lands in the 10 directions. All sentient beings can see the Buddha's various disciplines and manifold techniques. The forms of the Buddha are boundless, appearing to all according to their inclinations, opening up the ocean of knowledge for all worlds. Flame Eyes beholds the Buddha in this way. The Buddha body is peerless, it has no compare. Its light shines throughout the 10 directions, transcending all, supremely unexcelled. Such a teaching has joyful attained. Practicing austerities to benefit the world, traversing all realms of existence for countless ages, his light is everywhere as pure as space. Jewel Moon knows these techniques. The Buddha speaks the wondrous sound without obstacle. It pervades all lands in the 10 directions, benefiting the living with the flavor of truth.